Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to view your Discover credit card payment history. Open the website, then log in with your user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see a section for credit cards. Click on your Discover credit card. Now you will see several options at the upper part of the screen. Click on the option that says Payments. On the drop-down list, you will see an option for Payment History. Click on Payment History. And now you will see your credit card's payment history. That's how you view your Discover credit card payment history. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.